Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Today we will present about water conservation. First of all, my name is Hairul Faizi bin Hairul Nizam from Group 15.
And my name is Muhammad Amirul Fitri bin Tarmizi from Group 15.
My name is Muhammad Fizuddin bin Muhammad Asri, also from Group 15. Faizi, what is water conservation?
Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage.
And Hafiz, how can we save water?
As for me, I think we can save water for example, if we are watering the plant, we can use instead of using the pipe, we can use the pail to save water.
Amirul, why do water conservation is important?
Water conservation is important because this type of source, this fresh care water is a limited source. Because it's hard to find a clean water if the sea or the river is polluted.
From your opinion, Hafiz, what do you think will happen to the world when we run out of the clean water?
I think if we are run of the clean water, we cannot live our life with as usual, because we often usually the clean water in our daily life.
Many people, millions of people will die because water is important in their life, because water brings many benefits, bring many important things to their life. And Faizi, how about you?
When we out of clean water, many diseases will come because the water is not clean, and many virus and bacteria will infect people from water. So moving on for the fourth question. What do you think or how to prevent water pollution?
To prevent water pollution, we know this water pollution is come from a factory, or it's come from industrial things. So we build factory that far from the sea or far from the source of clean water, because all the waste will be thrown into the sea or river. And you?
I think we can prevent water pollution by minimize the use of bleach and detergent, because it will make the water pollute when we use it too much.
Hafiz, what is the benefit of clean water?
Benefit of clean water. As we know, we use the clean water in our daily life, so it has many benefits to our life. As for example, we use the clean water to cook food or make drinks. And we also use the clean water to watering the plant. And then what other benefits, Faizi, do you think?
Clean water is the important medium for all of the living things, because water is used to transport all the nutrient in many of organisms like human and plant. So clean water is a necessary for all living things. That's all from us.
Thank
You.